policies, remote work, and real-world scams. Cybersecurity doesn't stop when you leave the office. With remote work and hybrid environments becoming the norm, your security travels with you. Public Wi-Fi, like in cafes, airports, or hotels, is convenient, but it's not always secure. Attackers can intercept traffic, create fake hotspots, or monitor unencrypted connections. Before you connect to that free public Wi-Fi, stop and think about what you're risking. Using a company-approved VPN encrypts your connection and helps protect sensitive data from being exposed. Scams have also evolved. One of the most common business attacks today is impersonation, like a fake message from a CEO urgently asking for gift cards, wire transfers, or confidential information. These messages often create urgency. Do this now. Don't tell anyone. I'm in a meeting. That's a red flag. Always verify urgent financial or sensitive requests using a separate, trusted communication method. And beware of fake virus pop-ups. They may display alarming messages and phone numbers claiming your device is infected. Legitimate companies do not ask you to call random numbers from pop-up warnings. Instead of calling, report it to IT or close the browser safely. Security policies exist for a reason. Following them, at home, in the office, or on the go, protects both you and your organization.